In 1964, Lamborghini was a newcomer to the automotive world. Just a year earlier, Ferruccio Lamborghini had unveiled a super sleek prototype, the Lamborghini 350 GTV. That car never reached production, but it laid the foundation for what would become the Lamborghini's first road-going model, the Lamborghini 350 GT. The 350 GT made its debut at the Geneva Motor Show in March 1964. It was the moment customers could buy a car with the now iconic bull emblem. At its core was a 3.5-liter V12 engine, originally designed by Giotto Bizzarrini for racing and later adapted for the road by Paolo Stanzani. Producing 320 horsepower at 7,000 RPM, it was paired with a 5-speed ZF gearbox, 4-wheel independent suspension, and disc brakes all around. All engineering choices that put it at the cutting edge for its time. The chassis and frame were the result of the work of engineer Giampaolo Dallara, very young at the time, and now considered the best chassis maker in the world. The aluminum bodywork was crafted by Carrozzeria Touring of Milan, combining sporting performance with luxury details. Inside, the 350 GT offered leather, chrome, and a rare 2+1 seating layout. The cabin reflected Lamborghini's ambition to rival the most prestigious Grand Tourers of its era. Full-grain leather covered the seats and panels, bright chrome accents highlighted the dashboard, and the overall fit and finish delivered both elegance and comfort qualities. Only 135 examples were built between 1964 and 1965. Today, the Lamborghini 350 GT is regarded as one of the most important collector cars of the 60s. Well-preserved examples regularly sell for over $500,000, with top-condition cars exceeding $700,000 at auction. Its value reflects not just rarity, but the historic fact that this was the car that launched the Lamborghini legacy.